Do you remember that feeling? The one where you're staring at a new piece of technology, maybe a new phone, a new app, or a fancy new gadget, and you just know it's supposed to make your life easier, but for some reason it feels like it's speaking a foreign language? You're excited, you're ready to dive in, but that first step, that initial "how do I even begin to use this?" moment can be surprisingly daunting. It's like having all the ingredients for a gourmet meal but no recipe. Well, if you've recently signed up for RingCentral or you're about to, and you're feeling that familiar flutter of excitement mixed with a tiny pinch of, where do I click first? Then you're in the absolute perfect place. Because today, we're not just going to talk about making calls with RingCentral. We're going to walk you through it, step by step, from that initial glance at the interface to confidently connecting with your first contact. We're going to demystify that first call, turn that apprehension into anticipation, and get you talking in no time. RingCentral is an incredibly powerful platform, a comprehensive communication hub that can revolutionize the way you connect with clients, colleagues, and collaborators. But like any powerful tool, understanding the basics is key to unlocking its full potential. Think of this as your personal guided tour, your first flight lesson, if you will, to becoming a RingCentral pro. We're going to focus on the absolute core function, making your very first outbound call. We'll cover the different ways to initiate a call, understand the interface during an active call, and even touch on some handy tips to ensure a smooth conversation. So, let's get started. You've logged into your RingCentral account. What are you seeing? Most likely, you're looking at the main dashboard or the phone tab. This is your command center. RingCentral offers several intuitive ways to make a call, catering to different preferences and workflows. We're going to explore the 3 most common methods. The first, and perhaps the most straightforward, is using the dial pad. Just like a traditional phone, RingCentral has a virtual dial pad. You'll find it prominently displayed, often on the phone or call tab within your RingCentral app, whether you're on your desktop, a web browser, or your mobile device. Simply click on the numbers to enter the phone number you wish to call. As you type, you'll see the digits appear in the display window above the dial pad. Once you've entered the full number, locate the green call button. It often looks like a phone receiver icon. Give it a click, and you're connected. It's that simple. This method is fantastic when you have a number readily available, perhaps written down or copied from an email. The second method, and one that quickly becomes a favorite for many users, is calling directly from your contacts. RingCentral seamlessly integrates with your existing contacts, making it incredibly efficient to reach out to people you frequently communicate with. To do this, navigate to the Contacts tab within your RingCentral application. Here, you'll see a list of your saved contacts. You can search for a specific contact using the search bar at the top, or simply scroll through your list. Once you've located the person you want to call, you'll typically see a phone icon next to their name or within their contact details. A single click on that phone icon will initiate the call. This eliminates the need to manually dial numbers, saving you time and reducing the chances of misdialing. It's perfect for those quick, on-the-fly calls to familiar faces. Finally, and perhaps the most dynamic way to make a call, is utilizing the search bar. This is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly find and call contacts, or even dial external numbers, all from one central location. Often located at the very top of your RingCentral application, this universal search bar is more than just a search tool. It's a quick dialer. Start typing a contact's name, and RingCentral will intelligently suggest matching contacts from your directory. If you type in a phone number, it will recognize it as such. Once you see the desired contact or the number you want to call, you can often simply hit enter or click on the suggested contact/number to initiate the call. This method is incredibly efficient when you're multitasking or want to quickly jump into a conversation without navigating through different tabs. Alright, so you've initiated a call. What happens next? The RingCentral interface will change to display your active call. You'll see several key pieces of information and controls. Typically, you'll see the name or number of the person you're calling, along with a timer indicating the duration of the call. More importantly, you'll see a set of controls that give you power over your conversation. These controls usually include mute. This allows you to mute your microphone so the other person can't hear you. This is incredibly useful if there's background noise on your end, or if you need to have a quick sidebar conversation without the other party overhearing. Remember to unmute yourself when you're ready to speak again. Keypad/dial pad. Even during a call, you might need to access the dial pad, perhaps to navigate an automated phone menu by pressing specific numbers. This icon will bring up the virtual dial pad again. Hold. This puts the other party on hold, often playing hold music. This is useful if you need to quickly consult with someone else or retrieve some information. Transfer. This feature allows you to transfer the ongoing call to another person or extension within your RingCentral system. This is a lifesaver for businesses that need to route calls to the appropriate department or individual. Add call/conference. This allows you to add another participant to the call, transforming a one-on-one conversation into a conference call. This is invaluable for team discussions or multi-party meetings. End call. When you're finished with your conversation, simply click the red End Call button, usually represented by a phone receiver hanging up. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these controls during your first few calls. Don't be afraid to click around a bit, but remember to be mindful of the End Call button until you're truly done. Now, a few quick tips to ensure your first call and all subsequent calls go smoothly. Check your audio devices. Before making any call, especially your very first one, ensure your microphone and speakers or headphones are correctly configured in your RingCentral settings. A quick audio test can save you from a frustrating "Can you hear me now?" moment. Good internet connection. RingCentral, like all VoIP services, relies on a stable internet connection. A strong, reliable connection will ensure crystal clear audio and prevent dropped calls. Practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to make a practice call to a friend, family member, or even your own voicemail. This helps you get comfortable with the interface and the different controls before a crucial business call. Explore settings. RingCentral offers a wealth of customization options. Take some time to explore the settings to personalize your experience, from notification sounds to call forwarding rules. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.